Hey everyone! Welcome back to Delish Domain today. We're making something super delicious and way healthier than store-bought stuff, homemade sausage. Yep, no weird preservatives. No mystery meat, just pure flavor, and guess what, it's easier than you think. Stick around till the end because I'll share a secret tip that makes these sausages taste insanely good. Now comes the fun part, shaping the sausages. If you have a sausage stuffer, great, but if not, a simple piping bag or even a plastic bag with the tip cut off will work just fine. Pro tip: remove any air bubbles so your sausages don't burst when cooking. If you love this recipe, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. What should we make next? Let me know in the comments.